Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Phil from Western Supermotor Vlog. Don't worry, you haven't clicked on the wrong link. I'm just here to introduce the awesome channel, Motoramblings. Stay safe, guys, and I'll catch you on the flip side.
Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings. Today I'm going to do a mail call that I probably should have done previously, but, you know, things get in the way, like very long videos. So today's mail call is going to be Onebadmotherrunner. I'm Patrick.
And I'm Motoramblings.
And together we are going to do this video and nickname it
The Parent Trap Effect. Just for
That's
Jody.
right. Jody from Onebadmotherrunner likes these Parent Trap videos.
They are very cool. They can be a little bit of work though. And sometimes the timing isn't great.
All right, yeah, I'll start and let you finish up with the really good stuff.
Yeah.
I'm going to start with the letter and the card I got. So I'll open it up over here, but I'll move up and show you the stickers in just a second.
You better.
We have a pretty cool card. I'll show you that now.
Got a little motorcycle traveling out west somewhere. Can't wait.
I really want to go there. Anyway, the card says, I'll get it. Dear Motoramblings, greeting from the north. They're up in Pennsylvania.
Really
Hope
far
this
north.
finds you doing well and your back healing. Yes, last week you should have had an update on it, even though I'm recording this before the update. But I'll give another update at the end of this video. My new stickers finally arrived, so here are a few for you. We enjoy your channel. I especially like the Parent Trap effect. Told you.
Yep, and it is. It's a very cool effect. I like it too. It just takes a little effort.
Take care, and we look forward to meeting you. Yeah, VAM21. I'm planning on being there unless something major happens with this back thing. Signed, Onebadmotherrunner and PSP Tommy G. Rat-tat-tat-tat. Great channels. You need to check them out.
Yeah, they are great.
Just a second. I want to show off the stickers.
It's all right. I'm getting ready.
So, we have
The Can-Am Spider Rider. That's a very cool picture. It even resembles her. That's pretty awesome. From what I understand, PSP Tommy G designed him. Good job. May have to hire him to do mine.
yeah, no
And then another psychedelic Can-Am Spider Rider. Great stickers. I'm actually going to put both of these up on the board because I like them so much I don't want to put them on the back of the V-Strom.
And you want to put
So
the
yeah,
board up.
both of these going to end up on my board.
And I will put these away over here until we get them on the board. And I will let Motoramblings take over.
You sure? All right. Letter. This is a motorcycle rock. Throw it in the air. If it hits the ground, go riding. Which I will be throwing it
Oh,
in
I
the
know
air.
what's in there. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, let me
Great.
finish. I will throw them in the air as soon as I'm able to ride again. All right. Ride motorcycle now.
Camera ready. Take some pictures.
Yep, he's going to take pictures of these to put them on the video afterward. I'll just put it down there for now. And there's one more. I love this one. One size says Honda, and the other says
As soon as I
Moto.
dare ride, those rocks are going in the air to see what happens.
I already said that.
Well, maybe not both of them.
I already said
you're
that.
right. Yep.
Motoramblings.
That one's definitely
On
gotta
YouTube.
stay and find a great spot to put it.
Will you let me finish? On YouTube. Stay happy. I love these.
All right. Well, this is Patrick.
And I'm Motoramblings.
Thank you
I hope everyone can stay
for
well,
watching.
stay safe.
Motoramblings.
One more
out.
card.
Go.
All right, guys, I'm back. Just wanted to show you the stickers up on the board. So, of course, I had to put them up there right next to PSP Tommy G's sticker. There's one, and there's the other. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, Motoramblings out.